it's just too bad that it's dead. It goes. Got a little bit of sarcasm in her body, keep the record spinning. Freaking me up. Mia's keeping everybody else in check, and she does it with the water straight her neck. Jay's got us head up in the clouds, and he's flying through the sky. Well, the guy's got a lot of energy, and he's burning up his enemies. Fire Max, insane, he's bringing the pain, yet there's ice in his veins.
Hey everyone, I'm back and I bought the tea of future. That's good, Lloyd. Let's drink the tea. Ready? 3, 2, 1, drink it! Alright, did anyone see their future? Yep, I have a future that will find Master Wu. I have the future that I had to sacrifice myself one day. I have the future that Lord Garmadon will return.
I have the future that Mystery is gonna kidnap me.
Sorry guys, I have to go somewhere.
Yeah, I have to go somewhere too.
Huh. Now let's see, where could he be? Oh, what happened? What is that thing? It looks like an earth hammer. Who said that? I know you're right here. Wait, did that sound like a baby? What are you doing down here? I must get you out of here. Hey guys, I got some crazy news. I found this baby and this earth hammer. Okay, what's that baby for anyway? Wait, see, I stole that baby from the Sons of Garmadon. They say it's the key to the third mask.
Huh.
Wow, that's a really cool car. What is it called? Alright Lloyd, let us introduce the Ninja Nightcrawler. Thanks guys, you're the best. Whoa.
Alright, Lloyd, be safe. Wait, where's Samurai X?